Hello, today I've got with me Brandt Colville, our Director of Investments at Abbey Street, and we're going to talk about some developments in the cryptocurrency world. There's a big change that happened on January 10th of this year, 2024. So Brandt, tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so the news is that the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, recently approved 11 spot Bitcoin ETF products.
And what is a spot Bitcoin? How is that different from just regular Bitcoin?
So prior to this approval, the only way that an investor would get into Bitcoin is either buying it directly,
Yep.
or using what's called a futures ETF for Bitcoin. Now, the difference is the spot Bitcoin actually holds the physical Bitcoin that backs it.
Got it.
Instead of just a futures contract, it's
It's an
the
actual
physical
Bitcoin.
holding.
Got
Correct.
it. And so who's offering these Bitcoin spot ETF products?
Yeah, as you would expect, it's some of the bigger investment managers, the biggest BlackRock. Fidelity has their hand in the mix here. But there's also some native crypto companies. There's one called Grayscale, which most people haven't heard of. There's one called Bitwise.
Yep.
So it's a different mix
Yep.
of companies, and we would expect that to expand here.
Got it. And if investors are interested in putting some money to work here, how do they go about doing that? Do we evaluate the pros and cons of different managers and pros and cons of different ways of investing in Bitcoin for
Yeah,
them?
yeah. I mean, Abbey Street, we're an investment consultant. So
Yep.
when we're sitting down with our clients, we're looking at their financial picture, we're looking at their objectives, their risk tolerance, and then we can make recommendations on the appropriateness of Bitcoin or any other type of investment.
Sure. And Bitcoin in general has been a pretty speculative investment,
It
a lot of
has.
volatility, or
It has, yeah.
okay.
And that's I mean, it's kind of a double-edged sword. It allows access for small retail investors,
Yep.
but it also gives access to people who maybe don't understand
Okay.
what Bitcoin is and they just want to be in all the excitement.
Yep.
And it's a volatile investment. There's a lot of risk involved. It's, been highs and lows over the last couple of years, pretty
Great.
extreme volatility.
Well, thanks for sharing that with us. If you want to learn more, please reach out to Abbey Street, abbystreet.com, or reach out to any of us individually, and we'd be happy to help you.